In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable marketing options in Shopify, a crucial step for any online merchant aiming to enhance customer engagement and boost sales through effective marketing strategies. Let's dive in and take this step by step, shall we? Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify dashboard where all magic begins. To do this, log into your Shopify account and you'll land right on the homepage. Everything you need to access and manage your store is found here, so it's worth spending a little time exploring if you're new to Shopify. Next, we'll move on to the Settings section. You can find this option at the bottom left of your screen, represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this will open up a range of settings you can adjust to tailor your store's performance and customer experience. Today, we're interested in honing in on the checkout settings, so let's click on that option here. Once you're in the checkout settings, scroll down until you find the Marketing Options section. This is where we'll configure the marketing tools that Shopify offers to keep your customers informed and engaged. It's crucial to leverage these tools to ensure your marketing efforts are as effective as possible. The Marketing Options is a consolidated location where you can handle all things related to promotional messaging and customer outreach, so understanding its ins and outs is invaluable. Now, let's enable email marketing. By clicking on the Email subsection, you can decide how you want to engage with your customers through email communications. Emails are one of the most direct ways to inform your customers about sales, new products, or any other updates you want to share. Make sure your email settings are enabled and match to your personal preferences and business strategy. Efficient email marketing can significantly enhance customer retention and conversion rates. Lastly, let's look at the text message options by clicking on SMS. Recently, SMS marketing has grown in popularity due to its high open rates and immediacy. When configured properly, SMS can be a powerful tool for reaching customers quickly and efficiently. Double-check to make sure this option is enabled if you wish to send promotional messages or updates directly to your customers' phones. Just like with email, personalization and timing are key to making your SMS campaigns effective. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled marketing options on your Shopify store. Whether you're utilizing email, SMS, or a combination of both, these tools will help you maintain a direct link to your customers, driving more sales and keeping your store top of mind. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and happy selling!